Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics. Sign-in email, password, and any two-step method are correct. This prevents wasted troubleshooting. Once done, make sure your device clock, time zone, and the OS are up to date. Google rejects tokens when time drifts. Next, open an incognito window or another browser to rule out extensions and cached credentials. If that signs you in, you know the problem is local to the original browser, so stop and prepare to clear cache or disable extensions. Once you've isolated the issue to the browser, clear cache, and cookies specifically for accounts. Google, calm and Google. Calm so only relevant data is removed. Then disable extensions one at a time. Privacy blockers, ad blockers, and some password managers commonly interfere with OAuth flows, so test after each change. If the problem persists, reset network settings or try another network. Captive portals, proxies, corporate firewalls, or VPNs can block authentication endpoints. To finish, remove and re-add the account after you've cleared problematic data. Use backup codes, app passwords, or a recovery phone if prompted, since re-registration refreshes tokens. Make sure to review the Google account security page for blocked sign-ins or flagged devices, because account-level restrictions will stop any sign-in. If you still see errors, copy the exact error message or code and try signing in on a different device. When you contact Google support, that error code and the steps you took speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.